Welcome back to the Open Mind with you. Welcome back to the Open Mind with Umesh Randani, who is your host and who is me. And actually, today's discussion should have been presented to all of you last weekend, which was the 2nd of October, a good day to reflect on many things. The reason for this episode is that as of last weekend, we had completed first half of the financial year 21-22, and for most of us, financial year is the year which decides our future. And coincidentally, as I'm talking to you, at least I'm able to see that the light on the left side, that means on this part, is not that much. I consider that as the period which has already passed H1, and this is the H2 where there is brighter side of the life, right? So there is another perspective to it, and that is what the point of discussion is there. That we may have, attend some things, attend some milestones, and failed in many areas and failed miserably in some areas, and we may not have been in a position to start in some other areas, which is quite normal, which happens with everybody in life. It's not, if this has happened with you, I'm not telling your story, it is our story. It is my story as well, because it is not possible to accomplish everything in life. One needs to prioritize things in life. And many times you viewers may feel that I may be talking, preaching something and talking something, because in short, some of the messages that I convey relate to things living in the moment, etc. Yes, that is definitely true, but I also believe firmly that we need to be ready to face any situation that life may offer, because we don't know when it is going to offer after 10 years, 5 years, or maybe in the next moment. So if we are ready now, then we will be in a better position to tackle those moments. So are you ready to listen to this episode? No presentation. Once again, I leave this to you unless I have some definite things which I want you to remember. Because I found that काफी सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई presentation आप बोल दे रहे हो तो ये तो corporate का जैसा हो गया है. So भाई, I am not a corporate at all. I am just an ordinary person like you. So whenever I feel, I will come to you with a presentation, and rest of the time we'll have this face-to-face meetings. Okay, so what we need to do is, in life, there are many parts, right? And each one has got its own priorities. I have my own priorities. You have your own priorities. My wife has her own priorities. My son has his own priorities. My parents have their own priorities. So if your priority is not matching with somebody else, you should not be worried. That is number one, right? Secondly, I learned a very important thing when I was, consulting with a client, and the client is very nice. In fact, I have already covered in one of the earlier videos about how good the client is. This video is something related to, thank you and sorry, or sorry and thank you. I think it's titled that way. So you can just search in my channel and you will get there. It's a very nice video if you would like to understand what is the way in which you need to treat a person from a client customer perspective. So coming back to our things. So I was at my client's place, during the course of the consultation, and there were, it's in corporate world, there are many presentations nowadays. People don't believe that without presentations you can achieve anything. And I am a strong opponent of that, right? Because presentations actually, they are helpful, but they take the shine away from what the subject matter is. तो जो बात आप 10 मिनट में कर सकते हो, वो आप 4-5 घंटा लगा दोगे प्रेजेंटेशन में. इट इज सिमिलर टू द शॉर्ट्स वीडियोस. what you are watching now is a detailed discussion, because you need to understand the perspective, the logic behind certain things. Whereas in some other, in shorts, the message is very clear. एक झटके में आपको बोल देता हूँ, this is what it is, this is what I believe. I don't go beat around the bush, right? Here also, I'm not beating around the bush, but I'm telling you the perspective. I'm setting the stage for you to understand why things are important, that whatever I'm conveying based on my experiences and learning. So this client, there was one lady who had come up with a very nice set of things to measure, and I have been following that ever since I came across that. Not, it is, आपने SWOT का नाम तो सुना ही होगा. अगर आपने SWOT का नाम नहीं सुना है तो SWOT stands for your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So हर एक को अपने SWOT तैयार रखने चाहिए. And rather, because you see, the human tendency is that we are very good at analyzing SWOT for others, right? Especially the W, weakness of others. And we do not recognize the strengths of others because we believe that we are having only S with us, strengths, and we don't have any weakness. But the fact is, all of us have SWOT. So if you know already about SWOT, today I'm going to show you something. I mean, not show, talk to you something which is somewhat related to SWOT. The acronym is HMCW. एक समझो ये प्लस की साइन हो गई, राइट? तो आप एक क्वाड्रेंट में बना दोगे, हिट्स, मिसेस, challenges, way forward. Superb way of measuring your performance, which has gone by. Superb way of getting ready for the future. Remember this, H1, H2, right? भाई यूएस वाले ये ना समझ बैठे कि ये H1 वीजा की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. I am talking about H1 of FY 21-22. So do something like this. Hits, what are the things that you were able to successfully accomplish in the first half? What are the things that you missed in the first half? Miss SM. H is hits, माने जितने भी आपने काम कर चुके हैं उसके बारे में आप लिस्ट डाउन कीजिए. Misses, what did you fail to achieve? Challenges, what were your challenges? What is your way forward? How do you propose to overcome the challenges and the missed opportunities? What you can learn is from the hits, you can say that yes, you can achieve these things in life or in your corporate world, whatever area that you are looking at. तो ये जो आप कर चुके हो, whatever you have hit it right, you should improve upon that and increase the number progressively. Whatever you have missed to achieve is either on account of the challenges that you have faced or on account of wrong prioritization or whatever that may be. You know the things. आपकी प्रॉब्लम है तो आपको ज्यादा मालूम होना चाहिए मेरे से. I can only give you the overall framework of what to do. How to do, what things need to be included, need to be incorporated by you only. Then, so missed opportunities, you missed to achieve these things. So these you need to achieve in the next round, which is H2. So those become your objectives. Whatever you have hit it right, remember, objectives will be whatever you have done correctly plus whatever you have missed, you need to accomplish those. the challenges that you have faced, you need to think through and find out how you can overcome those challenges. Remember, our mind is fertile enough to come up with solutions, provided we stay positive, keep the mind open, and stay focused on the objective that we have in mind, and do it in a very disciplined manner. Discipline mane kya? Discipline is the series of actions that we undertake when no one is watching us. That is what I called as discipline. And way forward is कि आप आगे जाते हो, way this is how you will do, you will achieve this by 31st of October, this by 30th November, December, and like that, right? So this is what HMCW will help you with. It helps you organize your life in a very nice manner and something that can be measured, because objectivity will come only when things can get measured in a very transparent and effective way. There are many ways of doing things. I'm not going to give you a lecture on that. You need to figure out which is the best way. If you need my help, please come back to me. I will be happy to help you, happy to give you my ears to listen to your problems and give you solutions to the extent I can. Okay, friends, please let me know, how did you like this HMCW episode? And if you have liked it, please do not miss the opportunity of subscribing, sharing, and liking this particular episode. And way forward is that keep sharing, keep listening, keep watching, keep liking. Okay, friends, wish you a great H2 21-22. Bye for now. Oh, my cousin told me that bye is not the right word. Goodbye is not the right way to end. चलो दोस्तों, फिर मिलेंगे.